How to change your local currency on Coinbase. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your local currency easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to coinbase.com and then you have to go here to the top corner. Now after you go to settings, you need to go to preferences. Now right here you will find the option of local currency. You can change it from here and search for for example dollar. I'm gonna search for dollar. Okay, if you find it, just click on it as I said and then click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.